Welcome to EQTV. Today, a moderate magnitude 4.3 earthquake was occurred in China. The quake hits Xinjiang province, China, 21st June 2022, and 10 kilometers shallow depth. US Geological Survey is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 4.3. German Research Center for Geosciences is the second agency also report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. At the end, please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel for more updates.